And we're looking at another one of the applications that just has been starting for a while. A good one, actually. Another one of the mining applications for Satoshi or Sats, which is the smallest cryptocurrency for Bitcoin. The direction we're doing here is very simple. At least we're trying to mine freely any type of cryptocurrency. Something is better than nothing. And at the same time, having more of the smallest cryptocurrency sats, which is the smallest one for Bitcoin, it can become beneficial as Bitcoin in pricing goes up again. So this is the mining application. It's very simple, similar to the previous one we shared on the channel to mine sats over the smallest cryptocurrency for BTC Bitcoin. Again, you get a free contract like usual. You just leave it to run on its own. You can watch ads to increase your GH per second, which is the speed of the hardware pretty much. So this is considered cloud mining, by the way, if you're not aware of this terminology. Cloud mining is when you're actually connected to a server and all the hardware is being used remotely by you, and it's mining for you Bitcoin pretty much in the smallest cryptocurrency available for Bitcoin, which is Sats or Satoshi. Now this one is a little bit unique. You have your wallet, you have your market, you have your profile. You can actually purchase directly, faster processing speed for your GH, TH, blah blah blah. The direction when it comes to this is very simple actually. You're going to leave it to mine. You're going to claim at least daily the free contract, and you can watch ads to increase the speed. Same scenario like the previous mining application. As always, all links are going to be in the description for this one and the previous one on the channel. I would recommend for this one, you really don't need to pay and buy any of the contracts, and it's a little bit messed up when it comes to showing the amount for at least the currency I'm using. It should show Malaysian ringgit, but it's screwed up in my case because of the Google Gmail account with different locations added to it and changed, unfortunately. In any case, I don't think that the pricing is good. I think it's too high, and I think the best advice I can give you is go with pay nothing, leave it to mine, use the free contract, and watch some ads from time to time. That's it. Don't push yourself. Ignore the factors of best offer and scenarios and reduction in pricing and so on. Our main point is we want to collect more Bitcoin, even in the smallest cryptocurrency BTC. And this will actually take months and months even for you to come anywhere close to the last 3 zeros here, these ones. So we're gonna be leaving it to run for a very long period of time, months, and then eventually when we have enough, we can do the withdrawal, or we feel okay, this amount is good enough. The withdrawals are open and they're actually working. I'm not gonna do a withdrawal. I want to actually take more time to have a larger amount in this application. All right, all links are going to be in the description as always, and my recommendation is to use both for mining, cloud mining, because it's free. You can withdraw it at any time as soon as you hit the minimum withdrawal amounts, and it's working. It's all good. Alright, let's have a fast peek on the previous one, and then you should be good to go to start doing this. Alright, we're here on the previous one. Yes, it looks very, very different. And this one actually shows the amount that should be paid accurately in the local currency. The other one is a little bit screwed up with my Gmail. Anyway, you can see you can get a free contract. You can actually watch ads. The difference between both is the more ads you watch, the more the multiplier can increase, the loyalty multiplier. That actually helps you on the long run. The more loyalty multiplier you have, the better it is. Another key distinction difference, which I actually like more on this application, is the ability for you to change how the fractions look, the decimals. Let's actually do that and show you how it's done. The format. So you can see that there's different labels: micro Bitcoin, milli Bitcoin, Bitcoin, the 14 decimals, Satoshi, and milli Satoshi. We're using the Satoshi for a very simple reason, because we did a previous withdrawal, two actually, as you can see, one at least, sorry, one, and the other one failed, my mistake. So this one will show you automatically the number of Satoshi that you have directly. You don't need to look at this insane looking number or this one and try to calculate how many sats is that. So the best example that you can use is the Satoshi. Shows you directly the number in 1-digit format, 26, 27 sats. And all you need to do is log in daily as usual, watch the ads, or claim just at least the contract and let it running for the 24 hours. When you're done with that and you want to withdraw, you will go into withdrawal, Bitcoin Lightning, or another one if you've accumulated a big amount, Binance Smart Chain, and then you will actually select the amount you want to withdraw. Let's assume I'm gonna do all. It will show you the current balance, the withdrawal amount, the received amount, and the balance after. It's good stuff because you can just generate money, even if it's small amounts, over a long period of time without doing absolutely nothing, and it does pay, and you can withdraw. And here's a withdrawal failure, and here's a withdrawal success, you can see there, and there is the earnings. So by using both applications, we'll be able to speed up and increase the amounts of Satoshi or sats, which is still equivalent to Bitcoin and follow Bitcoin somehow, the smallest unit of Bitcoin. Now, I would advise you to check the description, use both applications on your phone. You don't need to actually pay anything, nothing at all. It actually is open for withdrawal, and you're good to go. Now, I would not recommend you try to go for one of the contracts. You don't know how long actually these applications will stay working and on the market, so just mine for free using their cloud technology, and you're good to go without losing any of your money or assets or any issues. Or even if they block you in the future, you would have lost absolutely nothing and gained everything by doing this completely for free. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Do let me know what you would like to see in an upcoming video. Check the description as always for links to access these two applications, and we'll see you in an upcoming video.